Hello, hello. So today we are going to learn on how to add and subtract radical expressions. Number one, we have 3 square root of 6 minus 4 square root of 6. Now, take note, our radicand or the radicands should be the same, okay, in adding or subtracting radical expressions. But make sure that our radicand cannot be factorable anymore, in which one of the factors is a perfect square. Okay, so those are the consideration that we need to take note. Okay, so 3 squared of 6 minus 4 square root of 6. 6, yes, it's factorable, but it's 2 times 2 is not a perfect square. 3 is not a perfect square, so it will remain as our radicand. So this is our common radicand. And let's subtract. So that would be 3 minus 4, and then write down the common radicand, which is square root of 6. And it's negative 1 square root of 6, or simply write negative square root of 6. Okay? Now, for number 2 basically it's a prime number, so that cannot be factored out anymore. So let's perform right away the operation addition of radicals. So negative 10 plus 12 square root of 7. So adding different signs, subtract the numbers, and then copy the sign of the larger number. So that would be then 2 square root of 7. Let's continue to number 3. So we have 2 square root of 6 minus 2 square root of 24. Okay, so remember I said in number 1 conditions, 24 is factorable. Okay, now they don't have the same radicand, therefore we cannot easily add them unless you are going to, or until you are going to find the factors of 24 in which it will be the same to the radicand of what we have in the first expression. Okay, so let us solve. So you have 2 square root of 6 minus 2 square root of. Now, let's find the factors of 24. Say 24, you have 2 times 12 is 24. 2 is not a perfect square. 12 is not a perfect square, right? So what else? We have 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24, but 8 is not a perfect square. And then as well as 3. Let's find another. It's a 4 times 6. 4 is a perfect square. 6 is not a perfect square. That gives you 24. Okay, so we have 4 times 6. Okay, so we have 2 square root of 6 minus 2 square root of 4 times square root of 6. And we have 2 square root of 6 minus 2. What is square root of 4? It's 2. So multiply that by 2 and then square root of 6. So we have 2 square root of 6 minus 4 square root of 6. Okay? So we have 2 minus 4. I'm going to write here 2 minus 4, write the common radicand or radical. We have square root of 6, and that gives you negative 2 square root of 6. Okay? Now, number 4, you have negative square root of 12 plus 3 square root of 3. I'm gonna give you time to solve this problem by yourself. Have a good day.